Welcome to What's What. With some of our most well-known famous brands, there are associated stories interesting enough to tell. What's What has assembled for you a few of the lesser-known stories and surprising facts about famous brands. The Nike sign isn't a tick or check mark. Nike means the winged Greek goddess of victory. The famous swoosh symbol that's been its logo ever since represents her wings and speed. Virgin brand got its name because its founders were exactly that. Richard Branson and Nik Powell were both virgins when it came to running a business. How a lucky weekend in Vegas saved FedEx? Every Monday, fuel companies demanded the week's payment in advance, which at that point ran $24,000 for FedEx. At the weekend, Federal Express looked unable to pay its bills. Fred Smith, the founder of the company, hopped on a plane to Las Vegas, and he won $27,000 playing Blackjack. Levi Strauss didn't ever wear his own brand of denim pants because they were originally meant for the labor class as the work pants. The color of Facebook is primarily blue because Mark Zuckerberg suffers red-green color blindness. At the center of Starbucks cup is Siren, which is popularly the face of it. A Greek mythological creature, Siren is like Super Mermaid and was chosen as it represented the seductive power of coffee, and also because coffee often travels long distances across the water to reach. The famous beer brand Carlsberg used swastika as a logo, representing the ancient symbol of prosperity and goodness, until 1940. It was then stopped due to cultural and religious concerns. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to click and subscribe. We have lots more to tell you.